Hello and welcome back to SAP ABAP with Jad. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use arithmetic operators in SAP ABAP. Today, we'll learn how to work with constants. What is a constant? A constant is a value that cannot be changed after it has been defined. Unlike a variable, a constant keeps the same value during the entire execution of the program. Constants make your programs easier to read and help prevent accidental changes. Example, open transaction SE38. Create a new program called Z_constants and save it as a local object. Now enter the following code. Report Z_constants. Constants, GC_company. Type C, length 10. Value, GAD, right/company, GC_company. Code explanation. Let's go through the code step by step. We use the constants keyword to declare a constant. GC_company is the name of the constant. Type C means it stores text. Length 10 allows up to 10 characters. Value. JAD assigns the value immediately when the constant is created. Finally, we display the value using the write statement. Check the program, activate it, execute it by pressing F8. The output will be company JAD variable versus constant A variable can change its value. For example, LV_name equals Max. LV_name equals John. The value has changed. A constant cannot be changed. For example, constants GC_company, type C, length 10, value as AP. Its value always remains SAP. If you try to change it, ABAP will generate a syntax error. Exercise for you. Now it's your turn. Create your own ABAP program. Create a constant for your company name. Display the value using the write statement. Summary. Today you learned what constants are, how to declare constants using the constants keyword, the difference between variables and constants, how to display constants using the write statement. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to use the IF statement in SAP ABAP. You'll see how to make decisions in your programs and evaluate conditions using comparison operators. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.